In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to reset your Substack password. Whether you've forgotten your password or just want to change it for security reasons, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in and get your account secured with a new password. First, you need to open your web browser and navigate to the specific page where you can reset your password. To do this, go to substack.com/account/set password. This is the page dedicated to setting a new password, and it's the starting point for regaining access to your account. Make sure you've entered the address correctly in the search bar to avoid any misdirection. Once you're on the page, you'll see a field asking for your email address. This is the email address associated with your Substack account. Carefully type in your email address, double checking to ensure there are no typos. It's crucial that you enter the correct email address because Substack will send a password reset link to this email. After entering your email address, the next step is to click on the Send Email button. What this does is trigger an email from Substack to be sent to the address you provided. This email will contain a link that you'll need to click to proceed with setting a new password. If you don't receive the email immediately, don't worry. Sometimes it can take a few moments to arrive. Also, be sure to check your spam or junk folder just in case it lands there. Now head over to your email inbox. Look for an email from Substack. The subject line will likely mention password reset or something similar. Open the email and inside you'll find a button or link that says Set Password. Click on this link. This is a critical step as it will direct you to the page where you can create a new password for your account. Once you're on the password reset page, you'll be prompted to enter your new password. Make sure it's something strong and secure, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This will help keep your account safe. After you've entered your new password, you'll usually need to confirm it by typing it again in a second field. This ensures there are no mistakes in your new password. And there you have it. You've successfully reset your Substack password. You can now use your new password to log into your Substack account. Remember to store your password in a safe place or use a password manager to keep track of it. Regularly updating your password is a good practice to help protect your online account from unauthorized access. If you encounter any issues during this process, it's a good idea to reach out to Substack support for further assistance. They can provide additional guidance and help resolve any problems you might face. And that's it for this quick guide on how to reset your Substack password. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.